Substack versus Patreon 2025. Which platform is best for creators? Most people get this wrong by thinking Substack and Patreon serve the same purpose. They both help creators monetize, but in very different ways. Substack focuses on email newsletters. You can publish articles, build a subscriber base, and charge monthly or yearly fees. You won't believe what happens next. You can also offer free content to attract readers and convert them into paying subscribers. Patreon, on the other hand, is designed for a broader creator ecosystem. You can offer memberships with exclusive content, videos, podcasts, or community perks. It supports tiers, rewards, and crowdfunding. The surprising truth is that many creators use both Substack for newsletters and Patreon for community and additional content. Substack is ideal if your audience loves written content and email delivery, while Patreon is better for multimedia and fan engagement. In conclusion, your choice depends on your content type and revenue goals. Both platforms are viable in 2025, but understanding your audience will determine which one drives growth and income.